Hello, everyone. Uh, this is Anudeep. I would be doing as an instructor for large-scale data structures and organization this summer. So I just wanted to discuss regarding the syllabus, just to give you some insights like how the course is going to happen. I just want to share my screen. Yep. So this is how the syllabus would be looking. I already uploaded the syllabus into the Canvas website, and I also shared to the students who are there in the section 001. So yeah, they'll just go through like how the course would be going through in the summer semester, and we will just try to sort out things. Yeah, so basically my office hours would be like every Tuesdays and Fridays, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. only on Zoom. And this is Flagstaff time. And you can find the Zoom link here. So you can directly join to the Zoom link whenever the office hours pops up on Tuesdays and Fridays for the given timing. Regarding the course description, like you can go through this course description once again, but primarily this course would be focusing on C++ programming language, which is just an extension to C. So it wouldn't be a major problem because we are going to cover in the beginning weeks, like just like a basic introduction to C++ programming language, like covering some of the concepts like how the control structures work, how the loops work. So it wouldn't be a major problem for you guys to deal the homeworks with C++ programming language, because we would be covering those concepts as well. Moving forward, this course is designed in such a way like you would be given a particular problem, and you would be trying to solve that problem with a specified data structure and algorithm, whatever you would be using. So those things would be clearly mentioned or explained in the videos which we upload onto the Canvas. And we also explain it very detailed on the homework assignments. So primarily we will be focusing on these data structures like stacks, queues, linked lists, trees, and hash tables, even prefix tries, and all these things. So we would be, each and every assignment would be assigned in such a way that we cover all these data structures. And we would be working on bigger data sets, like, yeah, it would be mentioned in the homework assignment, but just to give a short view, so we would be working on human genome data set, which is of 3 billion characters. So you would be working, I mean, you would be implementing your data structures and algorithms on this data set of size 3 GB or around something like that. So basically, in order to do all these assignments, first you have to set up your NAU Monsoon cluster account. Like how to set up all these things, we would be giving you a specified instructions in your first homework assignment. And you also have a separate category for that. And you have to first complete that Monsoon training. Then only you would be understanding how you submit your assignments onto Monsoon, because it's like you run everything on your Monsoon account. You submit all your code on Monsoon account, and the submission for homeworks, you just extract that zip file, whatever is there in your Monsoon account, and then you submit it. So that submission information and how you go through all these things would be again explained to you in the homework assignment very detailedly. But basically you have to take this Monsoon training, which is part of the homework 1 assignment. Like here, if you look into the grading system, how this course is designed, the majority of the 50% is homework assignments. So basically you would be having some set of homework assignments where you go through, and the category for this is 50%. And you have something called as video presentations, which is of worth 10%. So basically video presentation is nothing but you are given there would be 4 video presentations. So it would be like bi-weekly every Friday. So we would be mentioning you the dates when it would be there. I mean, so basically it would be like every Friday bi-weekly. The video presentation is basically like, given a topic, you have to explain that topic, like what you understood and what do you think that algorithm. For example, I have mentioned here in the syllabus itself, like if given a binary search algorithm, then you have to be explaining that in a video recording. Now, it is clearly stating that it is a video presentation. It means you have to be explaining turning on your webcam or some sort of device. So just the audio recording of that particular presentation doesn't work. So you have to come in front of the camera and then you have to explain that concept. Now, again, it's like the video presentation should minimum be a minimum, at least it should be of 3 minutes and at most 5 minutes. Now, what does that mean? Your video shouldn't be less than 3 minutes and it shouldn't exceed 5 minutes. So if it exceeds or if it limits 3 minutes, then you might be losing points. Again, that information would be given in that particular video presentation thing, whatever we post onto the canvas. So this is like a brief intro to the video presentations. And coming to module exam and final exam, we have only one module exam and one final exam, which is of worth 20%. Basically, in the module exam, also we would be giving you some set of 4 to 5 questions. Assume if we have given you some 4 questions. Now you have to at least explain 3 questions again in the video presentation. For example, we have given you 3 questions. Now you have to record each and every question for, again, the whatever we have mentioned in video presentations, the same rules apply also in module exams. So for each and every question, the minimum time limit is 3 minutes for that, and the maximum is 5 minutes. So if you're answering 3 questions, you can do it in 3 individual 5-minute video at most, or just record a 15-minute video length and then explain all the 3 questions. Any of that works. But always try to remember that it shouldn't exceed 5 minutes for each and every video. And the same applies to final exam as well. So which is of worth 20% each. So this is how it would be going. And coming to, yeah, it is clearly mentioned here in the note section, like it shouldn't exceed 5 minutes. So that is what you have to remember. And yes, like the video recording should show your face. It shouldn't be an audio voice recording. And these are the grades which generally, I mean, this is a general thing, like you can have a look like how the grades work on. And if you want to refer any reading and materials, you can always go through this textbook. And this is what the syllabus is about. And just look into the class outline, like what are the algorithms and what are the concepts we would be covering in this course. So that would be beneficial for you. Yeah, I mean, the detailed explanation of the video presentation, mid-examination and final examination will be given to you while posting it into the canvas. But assume, like, for example, for video presentation, how does that work? It works every Friday, like I already said. Maybe it would open morning at 9 a.m. and maybe it would be closing by end of the day, 12, like 11:59, end of the day. So in that span of time, you need to record your video and then submit it. So it would be entire 1 day for the video recording. I mean, for the video presentation. And when you come to the mid-examination and final examination, the time slots might vary. We might be opening that canvas slot for mid-exam for maybe like 3 hours. And in that 3-hour slot, you have to record your video. If given 3 questions, you have to answer those 3 questions and maybe record that 15-minute length video or individual 5 minutes at most video, and then upload in that 3-hour span of time. So for final exam, assume it might be like 4 hours or 5 hours. So in that 4 hours or 5 hours slot, you need to record your videos and then upload it. So this regarding mid-examination and final examination, how much the slot length would be, what would be the timings, everything would be shared to you when we release that into the canvas. So no need to worry regarding that right now. But this is how the entire course would be. I hope that would have answered your questions. Like if you have any issues, anytime, just mail me. My mail ID is given here in the syllabus, or you can also join the Zoom link in my office hours. Thank you.